How to create Google Cloud account, sign up for Google Cloud. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Cloud account and sign up for Google Cloud. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open your browser on your device. Now in the search bar, type Google Cloud and open the official Google Cloud website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see an option that says Get Started for free. Simply click on it. Here, Google will ask you to sign in with your Google account. If you already have one, sign in. If not, create a new Gmail account and then continue. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Cloud sign-up page, where Google will show you the free trial details. Just click on Agree and Continue at the bottom. Now you'll be asked to select your country and confirm that you agree to their terms. Once that's done, the next step is to set up your payment method. Don't worry, Google Cloud gives you free credits, and you will not be charged unless you manually upgrade. Add your credit or debit card details and click Start Free Trial. After this, Google Cloud will quickly verify your details, and once it's complete, your Google Cloud account will be successfully created. Now you'll be taken to the Google Cloud dashboard, where you can start exploring services like Compute Engine, cloud storage, BigQuery, and many more tools for developers and businesses. You can now create projects, manage APIs, and start using your free trial credits right away. That's all for the video.